Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we make amazing animation in PowerPoint. Before start lesson, we humbly request you kindly like video, subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more updates. Escape, Control N, new slide open and remove by default text and close thumbnail. And go to text button and type here and draw with M. Align mother, enter and M, type more and more time. Now Control A, select all M's, change font, Arial, black, bold and font size 170. And go to paragraph spacing and exactly and 140. Okay. So everything is complete now. Adjust sizing. M. Close thumbnail. Adjust size. Right size. Duplicate more. M O M O T H E R. We require 6 rows. So simply we duplicate, Control D, Control A, select second row and typing in O. I want to save your time. Now I pause video and complete this work. My work has been complete now. Go to format and outline white color. Right click outside of the slide and go to format and fill with black color. So you can say now here every text has been white background, white outline. Now fill with color white. M O and T, fill with white color. Now and H repeatedly, so animation so beautiful. E T E and 1 and H. So complete our text animation. First we fill with for beautiful layout. Okay, so complete now. Now we go to animation panel. Now our designing phase has been complete now. Now go to animation panel. First line, go to animation panel, add animation and go to line state upside, bottom to upside. Previous timing with previous, play with previous and right click in animation and start timing 1 second and repeat until slide and press OK. A fast duration 0.5, fast duration increase 1 point. Now complete one animation and paste remaining 5 rows. Timing fast only 1 second and animation painter paste all line. Many after 1 second row or delay some second 0.25 and 0.5. Now our animation has been complete now. I hope you learned